Hi everyone, it's Beth, and today I'll be making a decorative shelf. I used some tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree, 2 of Dollar Tree's little pieces of wood, these 4 little pedestal pieces from Hobby Lobby, 4 little cubes from Dollar Tree, Waverly antique wax, black chalk paint, wood glue, and hot glue. First thing I did was sanded down the 2 pieces of wood from Dollar Tree. And next I took the antique wax and brushed it on the wood. I didn't cover it completely because once I had it almost covered, I just took a baby wipe and blended the whole thing in. And I did that on both pieces of wood and covered them completely. Next, I took the tumbling tower blocks and glued them together in 4 sets of 3. And after I had them all together, I let them dry for about half an hour before I worked with them again. The next thing I did was took the 4 pieces from Hobby Lobby and the 4 cubes from Dollar Tree and painted them with the black chalk paint. And I only did 1 coat on those. I took the 4 sets of 3 tumbling blocks that I had glued together and painted those entire pieces with the black chalk paint as well. And again, only doing 1 coat. And the last thing I had to do was put it all together. So I took the sets of tumbling blocks, put some hot glue on the end of it, and then just stood it up on the piece of wood. And I did this for all 4 of them, putting 1 on each corner. Once those were on there and dry, I put hot glue on the tops of all of those pieces and then placed down the second piece of wood. Just lined it up and made sure that the wood was covering all of those. Next thing I did was took the little cubes and hot glued those to each of the corners as well. So this is the top of the shelf, so the little cubes are on the very top shelf. So it looks like that so far. And then the last thing I did was took the little pieces from Hobby Lobby and hot glued those to the bottom of the shelves. And I did 1 on each corner. And here it is all finished. I think it's super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.